Yes, this is our passion fruit. I'm Regan Martin as usual. This is how we care for it. Now this is flower, it's in flowering stage. See, has some flower, even this one has on it. Now, how to maintain it up to this level. This is how to maintain it. Now the fertilizer for me which I'm using, I use organic fertilizers. See how I press, don't press it on the main plant, to press it aside like 3 inches aside. As you see on our prop, there is no organic fertilizers because it has high content. Yeah, so when you put in much, it can lead to many losses. Now these passion fruits which you see